What is going on YouTube? This is JCap and I'm finally back with a new video. And as you guys can tell behind me, I've got a 3D printer going. And in today's video we're going to be doing something really awesome. We're going to be making the Raven from Fortnite Battle Royale. This is going to be a whole custom video. I'm going to be hand painting it. I'm going to be 3D printing it. So without further ado, sit back and enjoy this video and let's get into it.
As you can see, I'm removing the supports currently, and it's coming out pretty nice so far. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and start painting the figure. I'm going to be using purple, obsidian, and I'm also going to be using some gold and gray paint. I have all the information below in the description of exactly what materials I used.
Around 10 or 12 years ago, the trend was all for new music.
Alright guys, so right now we're making the finished base for the Raven. This is a custom designed base that we made here. And it's pretty sweet so far, so we're going to go ahead and see what this looks like as it's finished in about 2 to 3 hours. So it is finally done. It is about 2 hours and 10 minutes to print the base, as you guys can see there. And there's the base right there. I'm going to go ahead and adhere this to the figure itself, and I'll throw up some final pictures of what it ended up looking like.
So as you can see, that's the finished product. It pretty much wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoy this. Comment below what figure you guys would like me to do next. I can make pretty much any figure in Fortnite. And if you guys would like to pick up one of these for your own personal collection, I have the Raven available for sale, along with this Omega that's on the screen. It's the first link below in the description if you'd like to purchase one. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. JCap signing out. Peace.